Hey, we're Wake SeaDek, and we're down here at the Cincinnati Boat Show. I would like to show you our booth. I mean, it's a great booth. If you're not doing anything, even next weekend, I think it starts Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and possibly Wednesday. We have so many things for you to see. So we'll do any of the Seadoos or any of the other brands. As far as that, this is one of our retail products. We can customize it if you want it a certain way. And if you're looking for a cooler top, so all the different Yetis or other coolers, this is just kind of cool. Dale Hollow Lake, I went there as a kid. I love it. I go there every year. We do Lake Cumberland, Lake Norris. It can be in any color. We can do this for your company also and put your own logo in. But Wake SeaDek, we're a family business. We're located right out of Cincinnati, but we are working all around the United States of America. And our other businesses in Lake Havasu, and there's so many different West Coast boats, so we'll work along with a lot of the manufacturers there also. Wake Cumberland Water Sports, if you're looking for some new awnings or enclosures, this is what they do. And then of course they do all the SeaDek product, and they're located right in Somerset, Kentucky. And so we all hang out down at Lake Cumberland, and so we have a lot of friends there. But we're Wake SeaDek. We're from the Chicago Boat Show to Lake Havasu Boat Show, Nashville Boat Show, and many more in between. So come and see us, call us, info@Wake SeaDek, or just look at our website, www.scwake.com. Thank you.